Alright, so this one is very similar to the last one. I'm only doing two because I'm really not spending a lot of time on this, only because you will find some other ways to do these rules that you might find a little bit easier. But for right now, identifying the pattern is the key to doing these. So you got to look at the sequence and look at any way possible on how you get from one number to the next. That is pull out all of your tools in your math toolbox in your brain and try to figure this out. So I honestly, to do these, I just kind of figure out, well, how is one related to the other? So for this one, it looks like I'm going down. I'm going down in numbers. So something's going on here that's dropping these. Maybe subtraction. So I could say, well, this is going down by 40. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm going to say this is going down by 40 to get to 60. This is going down by 20 to get to 40. This is going down by 10, down by 5 to get from here to here and here to here and here to here. Now, I do see a pattern. I see that I'm going down by, and it looks like the change between these is that it's half. That's what I'm looking at. 40 to 20 is half. 20, half of 20 is 10. Half of 10 is 5. So I'm going to try that route. So I'm going to write a rule that says half a1 a the n minus 1. Alright, so I'm doing it now. You know that's not perfectly right, because if I took half of 100, I would get 50. So I'm gonna write it in here just to show you. Alright, so I'm gonna do a2, which is 60. So according to my rule, I'm doing a2 equals half of a1. Alright, so a2 is 60. Half of a1, whoops, geez, I know what a1 is, Joel. Okay, a1 is going to be 100. That's the number. That's a1. Remember, this is a1, a2, so on. Okay, half of 100. Well, this gives me 60. This gives me 50. So looks like I'm going to need to add 10 to this in order to get it to work. So in order for, I guess, to balance the equation out. So it looks like this is the rule I'm going to, whoops, that's not the one I want to box up. This is the one I want to box up. This is the rule I'm going to try to follow. So let's try it. So let's see. A sub 3 is equal to half of a sub 2 plus 10. A sub 3, which is 40, equals half of 60 plus 10. 40 is equal to 30 plus 10. Eureka, it works. Alright, so I know it works. And I can do it for all of them just to check, but I am pretty confident that that's the right one. So I'm going to go by and I'm going to do the other two terms. And I'm going to go way over here because I have all this extra space. So I need to find the next three terms. So again, I need to 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need a 6, I need a 7, and I need a 8. Okay, I need to find those three. Those would be the next three terms. So a6 is half of a5 plus 10. Half of a5 is 25 plus 10. Half of 25 is 12 and a half plus 10. So 22.5 is the answer for a6. Didn't leave myself too much room, did I? Half of a6 plus 10. So as you can see, these numbers are getting smaller, because I gotta do half of 22.5 plus 10. Half of 22.5 is 11.25 plus 10. So that's 21.25. That's the answer to that one. And A8, I'll move down just a hair. So it's a half of A7 plus 10. Half of A7 is 21.25 plus 10. Half of 21.25 is 10.625 plus 10. So 20.62, wow, 25. Alright, so I've boxed my rule, and my three terms are 22.5, 21.25, and 20.625. Done.